Hi friends. Hi. Good afternoon. So myself Anwar from Andhra. Okay, I have taken a service from Make My House team. Okay, Make My House is a very supportive team. They support from the initial stage. So you can see from backside my construction is going on. They have allotted me an engineer also, local engineer. They have a tie-up with the local engineers. So they have provided me a local engineer also. Okay, they have charged extra, but the engineer is also very supportive person. So he has supported me even for during construction, for plinth beam, for markings, everything he has supported me. Okay, it's a good service, reasonable prices. Okay, when compared with the market, these are the very reasonable prices. Where I have checked with local here. Okay, it is very reasonable. Even the interior part is very supportive team. They are very good, and so I can suggest you can go with Make My House. It's a very supportive team where I felt, and for me after this planning and for construction initial stages, okay. They have supported me a lot. This is what I can say. Okay, it's a very supportive team. You can go ahead. Thank you.